Rolo Raccoon and the Messy Beach. Rolo Raccoon had big eyes, tiny paws, and a teeny, tiny voice. He had smart ideas, but he never shared them out loud. His tummy twisted. His heart thumped. He felt nervous to share, and so he stayed quiet. Rolo was always part of the crowd. He just followed everyone else, never led, never spoke up. One sunny day, the friends shouted, "Beach day! Yay!" They ran to the sand, but "Oh no!" cried Bunny. The beach was messy. Bottles here, wrappers there. "Let's clean it," said Fox. Everyone cheered. Yes! They picked bottles, they gathered wrappers, they swept sand. And the beach looked shiny again. Ta-da! But the next day, oh no! It was messy again. Bottles, wrappers, everywhere. Day after day, clean, dirty, clean, dirty, clean, dirty, over and over. What do you think, friends? Should they give up cleaning the beach or try something new? Rolo's eyes went wide. He had an idea. But inside Rolo's mind, his heart said,
"Say it."
His tummy said,
"Oh no, it's too scary."
His brain whispered,
Oh, what if they laugh?
His voice stayed tiny. Friends, have you ever felt shy like Rolo? Rolo thought,
If I don't say it, the idea will just stay stuck in my mind forever.
And so he stopped. He put his paws on his belly. He breathed in. He breathed out. Again. Rolo puffed his chest, stamped his feet, and shouted,
Hey friends, let's put dustbins on the beach and write, use the bin. We can also make posters to tell everyone to keep the beach clean. What say?
Everyone froze. Fox blinked. Bunny gasped. And they all shouted, That's brilliant, Rolo! They placed big bins, painted signs, used the bin, made posters with seashells and colors to keep the beach clean. And the next day, ta-da! The beach was still clean. And the next day, still shiny. No wrappers, no bottles. Just happy waves, splish and splash. Rolo's friends cheered. Rolo, you saved the beach! High five! Rolo smiled wide. His tummy was calm. His voice felt strong. And he said to himself,
My voice matters. When I speak, I can help everyone.
And from that day, Rolo was no longer just part of the crowd. He spoke his ideas loud and proud. So, friends, what do we learn from the story? We learn that our voice matters. When we feel shy, we should take a deep breath and try. You never know, your idea might be the one that helps everyone.